Hi guys! Welcome to the Craft Time Studio. If it's the first time you're dropping by, expect a lot of play and craft tutorials. I'm Ange and I hope that you will find some creative inspiration in today's video. If you haven't yet, do consider subscribing to my channel so that I can continue making clay and craft tutorials. For this weekend, I wanted to show you how to combine metallic elements with your clay. For materials, you will need polymer clay, a clay blade, these dangling metal findings, and a detail needle. To begin, let us condition our clay. I'm choosing gray as my base color, and I'm rolling it out into the number 3 setting. Then, I am choosing sapphire blue as my accent, and I'm rolling it out into the number 9 setting, which is the thinnest one on my ruler. Next, I trace out the metal finding shape on the base clay using the detail needle. After tracing, carefully lift the metal finding out and you should get that floral shape. Cut the floral shape in half. Place the clay on the bottom part of the metal finding following the grooves of the petals. Then, get the sapphire blue clay and the small floral shaped cutter. Punch out 2 flowers and stick them on the base clay. Go back with the needle and carve out the detail of each petal. Then, get a bit of white clay, roll it out into a ball, and place it at the center of each flower. Add more details to each petal, using your detail needle. Then, get your olive green clay and roll it out into a thin log. Pinch one side before cutting it into thin slices. This will make small leaves. Place each leaf carefully on the flowers. Repeat this process using light green clay. Then, once you have all the leaves that you want on your flowers, draw a vein on each leaf using the detail needle. To add a little bit more accent, I made small balls of white clay and placed it on the main slab. And finally, I dotted each petal using my detail needle. Now, it is time to bake these earrings. Remember to follow the baking instructions on the clay package. To finally assemble these earrings, we need E7000 glue, long nose pliers, jump rings, and dangling earrings. First, I need to attach the baked clay to the metal finding using the E7000 glue. Normally, I would use super glue for attaching clay pieces to metal. But I found out that E7000 works much better when you're attaching pieces like this. Finally, I attach the dangling earring using the jump rings and the pliers. And that is it. I loved how these earrings turned out. Clay is so versatile and can be mixed with many different kinds of materials. Thank you for watching and see you next weekend. Keep safe and keep on crafting. Bye!